Now, when my screen recording software conked out, I was at double spacing. So let me show you. Let me do this again. I'm going to go from double to single first. And let me zoom out so you can see what this looks like. So I'm going to click here. Now it's double, and I'm going to go back to single. Boom. Okay, now I'm going to go to double. Okay, look at that. Double and single. And then once again, single space. At your college, they're probably going to want you to do single space. I like to see papers that have double space so I can write comments between the students' sentences. Okay, next thing I want to talk about is text color. But first, I have to ask, what is the first step to change the spacing of an entire list? Okay. So think about that and then continue the rest of the video. So I'd like to show you one more thing. You can change text color too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight these words. So highlight these words, and I go here, and there's a A that's underlined. Actually, let me just change the color of the word grocery list. So let's see. Here's that A that says text color. Let me highlight the grocery list like that and change it to purple. Look at that, Grace Grocery. So let me highlight it and change it to red. Highlight again and change it to brown or whatever that color is. Highlight it, change it to red. Highlight again and change it to blue. Okay, so that's how you change the color of your text. So I have a question for you. Uh-oh, I'm too big here. What does a text color button look like on the toolbar look like? What does it look like? The text color button. Okay, here is my list. And I want you to do this on another Google Doc. So open up a Google Doc. And I want you to tell me how to change this to a bulleted list. And I want you to pause the video and do that. Let me give you a couple more seconds. Okay, and if you couldn't do it, let me show you how to do it. So I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to click bulleted list. Ta-da, there it is. Okay, next thing, spell cilantro correctly. The next thing I want you to do is I want you to make the list double spaced. So let me give you a few seconds to pause the video and see if you can double space it. Okay, here we go. I'm going to double space it, highlight it, click here, and click double. There you go. Okay. So the next thing I want you to do is, I want you to change the text from black to blue. So let me give you a couple of seconds to figure that out. Change it from black to blue. Pause the video and try it. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to click text color and change it to blue. Yes, there we go. So I have one last question. What are the steps to change a bulleted list to a numbered list? And I want you to ask a partner. And then how do you change the style of your bullets? I want you to ask a partner this question. So let me put it in ask a partner. All right, this is the end of this part of the video. I'm going to give you a couple of handouts to work on and practice, and I will see you later.